Yes, hello everyone. Once again, I am here with the video of English first. As I told you in the previous video that I will be giving you lesson number 12, 13 and 14 also in the next video. So in this video, I will be giving you lesson number 12, 13 and 14. So first we will start with lesson number 12, that is demonstrative pronoun. So open your book page number 48. Yes, so this is the chapter demonstrative pronoun, okay, which means when we demonstrate anything, okay, whether it is singular or plural, whether it is near or far, we put this, that, these and those. So this and that we put for singulars and these and those we put for plurals. For example, this is my photograph, okay. Next, these are my photographs, okay. Next one, that is my photograph, and the last one, those are my photographs, okay. It is clearly indicated when we talk about singulars and plurals, we use this and these and this and that, and we for plurals we use these and those, okay. So student, things that are near to us we use this and these, and things which are far from us we use that and those. Now come to the next part, that is actually we have just one box is there, you can see one box is there, and just above that one line is written, read the following sentences and note the difference between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. So demonstrative adjectives means when we directly put the subject after the demonstrative pronoun, that is called demonstrative adjective, means the pronoun is indicating that adjective, okay. And next, demonstrative pronoun means first we put demonstrative means this one demonstrative subject, and then we put the subject demonstrative pronoun at the end. For example, this is my bicycle, okay. So my is written first before bicycle, okay. So this is my bicycle. Next, you can see in demonstrative adjective, this bicycle is mine. Both sentences are same, but the way it is these are written means they are clearly separating both demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronoun. For example, these bicycles are mine, these are my bicycles. Next, that bicycle is mine, then that is my bicycle. Those bicycles are mine, those are my bicycles, okay. When we put personal pronoun, okay, third person with demonstrative word, okay, which is called, and that is called demonstrative pronoun. Now come to the exercise A. Pick out the demonstrative pronouns in the following sentences. Also write whether they are singular or plural. So here you can see, this is my computer. So computer is singular. This and computer. You can see here, okay. Next one is, those are my classmates, those plural. Next one is, that is a nice dress, that singular, okay. Then these are ripe bananas, these plural. Here it is written, okay. Next one, next exercise, exercise B. Make sentences by using this, these, that and those as demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. So dear students, same I have made here, and if in live class you have made something else, that also you can write, that is also correct. So this car is mine, then this is my car, then these cars are mine, these are my cars, this car is mine, sorry, that car is mine, that is my car, then those cars are mine, those are my cars, okay. Next one, exercise C. Tick right the right option. So here we can see the picture, those and that are written are books. So here these are far, so those are books. Then this phone is near, so this is a mobile phone because it is singular. Those are calculators, these are far, okay. And this this is a camera, okay. The camera is near, so this is a camera. Now come to chapter number 13. Your chapter number 13 is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative, you all are aware, when we put WH question, okay, and we put question mark at the end. So these are called interrogative pronoun, okay. So we put, like for example, what is in this box, okay, which is your bicycle, who is in the office, whom did they invite, and whose is this photograph. So these words in these sentences are interrogative pronouns. They are used to ask questions, okay. We put the interrogative mark, means question mark, at the end of such sentences, okay. And in sometimes we put full stop also at the end of such sentences, not interrogative mark. For example, except what they give, for full stop. I asked who was calling, full stop, okay, for example. Now general rules for using interrogative pronouns: who is used to talk about any people only, okay, which is used for both people and things, then what is used for things only, as what are these stains on your shirt, for example, okay. Next one. Now come to interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives means after WH question we will put the subject first. For example, which game is he playing, okay, means we are talking about the game, which game he is playing. Then what books can I read on the subject, okay. So these are interrogative adjectives. Now come to the next page. Okay, so we will start with exercise A. Use the correct form of interrogative pronouns to complete the followings. See the blanks and complete your work. First one is, what is in this box, question mark, okay. Next, what do you prefer, milk or tea? Next, whose is this watch, question mark. Next, who gave you that notebook? Next, whom did you talk to? Next, what is the matter? Next, whom do you wish to meet? Next, who is that woman? Next, which of these pens is yours? Next, whose is that car, okay. So these are interrogative pronoun. Now in next exercise we have to give both interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives, okay, by using which and what, okay. So for example, students, I am giving you the answers here. You can see here interrogative adjectives: which pen do you like more, okay. Then which song is Alex listening to? Which player scored a 50 yesterday? Next, what books are you buying today? Next, what product did you order? Next, what food would you like to have? Okay, so just after the interrogative adjective, we means WH question, we have put what? The subject whom we are talking about. Next, interrogative pronoun: which color do you prefer? Which seat would you like? Which is better? Okay. What do you want for your birthday? Then what is your friend's name and what is that? Means when we talk about the things, okay, in a different way, so it is called interrogative pronoun, okay. Now come to the next. Okay students, now come to lesson number 14, relative pronoun, okay. Relative pronoun, we will start basically. See, whenever we use two sentences or we join two sentences together, we take the help of relative pronoun, okay. For example, this is car. This is the car, Prakash bought it, okay. So this is the car that Prakash bought. Alright. Next, I have found the pen. Now, I have found the pen, I lost the pen. I have found the pen which I lost, okay. Next one, I have a sister, she is 7 years old. I have a sister who is 7 years old. So like that we will combine with WH, means with what, which, where, when, whose, whom, and that also we use in that. Okay. A relative pronoun does not follow two things. It connects two statements. So it does the work of a conjunction. Okay. Second, it does the work of a pronoun. For example, I met a girl who was a good singer and dancer. Okay. So a relative pronoun does the following two things. So these are the two things which are relative pronoun. Okay, does. Okay, before that I said does not, sorry for that. Next one, use of relative pronouns. How do we use that basically? So I have already told you, like who is generally used for people only, then whose and who also as a possessive form is used in speaking of persons, animals, and also objects without life. Then which is also used for lifeless objects. On the next page you can see that is used for both people and things. Okay. Then what is used for things and abstract ideas. Okay. So these are some rules. Now come to the first exercise, fill in the blanks with appropriate relative pronouns. Next exercise 1, please see that. A, bring me the books that lie on the table. I love children who are obedient. I know the woman whose husband is sick. Neha is the girl whom I want to meet. The watch that you gifted me is very costly. The moment which is lost forever. 7th, I say what I mean. 8th, uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. Next, where is the letter which came yesterday? Next, the watch that you gave me keeps perfect time. Okay. So this is exercise A. Now in exercise B, we have to combine the sentences using using relative pronoun. So students, I am showing you the answers. Please see. At the end I will show you. First we will do exercise C, because here we have to put the blanks. And in exercise B also I have written in between, for example, that, who, but how to add them, that I will show you. Okay, here also you can see whom, that, whose, who. Okay. So see the exercise C. The skyscraper is a tall building which you can see in big cities. Next, Alicia is talking to someone who is her Facebook friend. Next, an oven is a machine which is used for cooking food. Then, a doctor is a person who examines and treats patients. Next, a tree is a tall plant which gives oxygen to the atmosphere. Next, friends are people who you share good times and bad times. Okay. So now come to the exercise B. These are the answers. Please see. The tiger is a wild animal that runs very fast. Okay. She is a student who stood first in the examination. Then this is my classmate whom I was talking about. Then I have found the umbrella that I had lost. Student, it is also written here. So please remove it. Okay. It won't come here. Next, these are the students whose exercise are done well. Next, here is the physician who cured me of typhoid fever. So students, till here we have completed lesson number 14 and your syllabus is almost completed. The chapters which are there at the back of the book, okay, in your live class those chapters are already completed. Please ask any of the students if you have not completed, because it is not means we are not having that much time to give you videos on next Monday. So please complete your work Okay, if you have any query, you can contact in live class, because next week you will be having live classes this week. Okay, so please complete your work, study well, and take care. Your queries you can ask in your live classes. Okay.